Welcome to Modern Digital Banking, an online financial education program that teaches students how to make wise decisions that promote financial well-being while developing strategies for managing their finances through institutions using online and mobile banking tools. Through a variety of interactive lessons, students will be introduced to basic financial concepts, modern digital banking, identify theft and fraud protection, and peer-to-peer transactions. Although each module presents a different subject, each follows a similar flow. Pre-assessment questions, introduction to the topic and connection to the overarching theme, a series of interactive games and decision-based activities that relate to the lesson and allow students to explore, make mistakes, and ultimately lead them down a path resulting in responsible digital banking strategies. The Keystone activity, which allows for extension and application of the module's key topic. And finally, at the end of the module, students take their post-assessment and are guided back to the home screen in order to move on to the next lesson. Through this interactive storyline, diverse group of characters, and series of interactive lessons, modern digital banking empowers students to take personal finances into their own hands while identifying ways to protect their overall financial well-being. Thank you for watching this overview of modern digital banking. For more information, visit thegamagency.com.